Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a nice and easy do as I do magic card trick. It's a simple version of this trick. There's harder ways to do this trick, different methods, but this one is just a simple, if you're just beginning in magic, just want to learn a nice card trick just with a regular deck of cards, this is perfect because there's no sleight of hand involved whatsoever, no setup. It's really nice and easy to do, and it's a fun trick. So the do as I do, you have your deck of cards well mixed, well shuffled. You can have the spectator mix up the deck, shuffle them in any way that they want, and you can either cut the deck in half or have the spectator cut the deck in half, and have the spectator pick any half that they want, and that's the one that they'll use. So let's just assume they pick this one. And then now you're gonna explain to the spectator, you want them to do as you do, and you're gonna have them take their half, whichever one they pick, put the cards behind their back, and they can mix up the cards any way that they want so that the cards are well mixed, well shuffled. And then you're gonna want them just to go ahead and pick out any card that they want from their half, and then bring their half back out on the table, and then they can look at whatever card that they pick. Okay, so you're explaining them to do as you do, and while they do that, you're gonna do the same thing with your half. So the magician and the spectator at the same time will take their halves of cards, put them behind their back, pick out, shuffle, mix up the cards, pick out any card that they want, and then bring their half on top of the table and their card on top of the table. So while I'm explaining it, I'm gonna have to do it one at a time, but when you have the spectator and the magician do it at the same time, the trick usually goes faster. So the spectator can mix these up behind their back, pick out any card that they want, bring their half back on the table, and then look at their card, whichever one that they pick. Now, the magician will then take the card that the spectator picked, put it somewhere in the middle of their half, and then the magician can even take the card that they picked, put it somewhere in the middle of the half that the spectator picked, okay? So now the magician will then shuffle or mix in, sandwich their half into the spectator's half of cards just like so, and then with a magic tap and a little bit of a magic move, you can actually make the two cards, the one that the spectator picked and then the one that the magician picked, appear inside of the deck. And so the magician picked the jack of clubs, and so the spectator picked, we don't know, the spectator picked the queen of clubs, and both of these cards are now face up inside of a face down deck. And that's easy do as I do. Okay, now before I show you how to do this trick, please like and subscribe to this channel and video. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. I'd also like to give a shout out to all my channel members. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you for all the support you've given this channel throughout the years.
I am not David Copperfield, but I do want you to visit thebestmagicshop.com for awesome new magic tricks, accessories, and more, all at a good price. That's thebestmagicshop.com.
Okay, simple, easy, do as I do tutorial. So there's no setup involved in this trick. You just have a regular deck of cards, and you can mix them up, have the spectator mix them up. You kind of get the idea on that. So you cut the deck in half, okay, and any half, any amount that you want, and the spectator can mix up their cards, you can mix up your cards, it doesn't matter. You explain to the spectator that you want them to put their cards behind their back, shuffle them, and then pick a card and bring their half and their selected card out on the table, and then they look at their selected card. While you're doing that, the magician's half, you are explaining to them what you want to do. So you come out and select a card, say you want to pick a card. Look at this card, remember it. This is the 9 of hearts. So this is the card that you're going to remember as the magician. This is your card that you've picked. You place this on top of the deck as you're explaining what you want the spectator to do. Now, when the magician goes behind his back, all you're doing is you're taking this 9 of hearts, putting it face up on the bottom of your half, and then just picking out another card and turning this half over so it looks like when you come back out from behind your back that you have a face down pack of cards and a selected card. Now this card here is the 9 of hearts. This is the one that you looked at when you were explaining the trick, and you have all your cards face up. But the spectator does not know that. When you come out, it looks like a face down deck, and you did just what they did. So they're listening to you. They'll go through their cards, pick out any card that they want, shuffle them, whatever. And then they look at their card, remember it. You're remembering the 9 of hearts because that's what cards face up. You take their card, place it in half or in the middle of your pack without spreading the cards, because you don't want to show them that your stack looks like this. And then when you do that, when you put it half in, it'll put their card reverse of the other cards. But you don't spread them out. You just keep them squared up and set them on the table. Then you take this card and put it in their half. This card, you don't need to know what this card is. It doesn't matter. Okay, it's just any random card, and you just put it in their half, and you can even pick up their half and do it so it's the same move twice. Now, you take your half, turn these face up, put half of that stack face up, and then just sandwich them in between like that. And then what that has done is you have now 2 cards reversed, which is the 9 of hearts and whatever the spectator picked as their card. And then you do a magic move, and it makes you look like you've done, a great sleight of hand move right in front of them. And basically all you're doing is just turning the deck over. But when you do it as a cut, you cut half the cards, flip them over into your hand. Okay, this is my left hand, this is my right hand. And then just turn the rest over. And all that does is it's just a fancy way of just turning the deck over. Okay, so it's kind of optional to do, but it's kind of flashy. And that's what it looks like. So all you're doing is taking half the cards, placing them in your hand, just turning them over, and then just turning these cards over with your right hand and dropping them on top. And basically that just turns the cards, the entire deck just over. And then when you spread them out, you can show the spectator's card and your card have both turned face up inside of a regular deck of cards. And if they've done everything correct, the trick works. And that's a simple do as I do, regular deck of cards. And there's really no sleight of hand. All you have to do is just reverse the bottom card, turn your stack over, and it's done. You're done. There's no double lifts, no triple lifts, anything. Okay? So that's a nice and easy do as I do. Give it a try. People seem to like it, and it's pretty much fail-safe for all that matters. Okay? Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. And until next time.